One Tobago COVID-19 survivor says the COVID-19 vaccine helped him recover from the after effects of the virus. Richard McFarlane shared his story at the Division of Health briefing. Caricia Douglas tells us more.
Tobagonian Richard McFarlane contracted COVID-19 in April, and while he has recovered and was discharged from state quarantine, his friends were not as fortunate.
Within the last 10 to 12 weeks, we would have had to bury several of them. The one common thing among all those who we have had to bury is this: none of them had yet had the opportunity to be vaccinated.
Mr. McFarlane was later diagnosed with a long COVID. He describes this as a traumatizing experience.
There are days where I couldn't get out of my bed. I spent quite a bit of my life reading and writing. I am a voracious reader, and I write extensively. I have not been able to read and write without much difficulty, simply because of the thing called brain fog. One of the symptoms, one of the experiences of persons who go through long COVID.
Through research, Mr. McFarlane learned that the symptoms for those suffering from long COVID significantly subside after being vaccinated. Last week, he was vaccinated along with his entire family. Mr. McFarlane says since then, he feels better.
I was able to comfortably spend several hours writing and preparing for a formation program that I am conducting on Saturday. I have been able to return somewhat comfortably to the work of maintaining our property, our family property. And generally, I feel a lot more energized.
The COVID-19 survivor is urging citizens to consider accurate information about the vaccines when making the decision to be inoculated against the virus. Caricia Douglas, TTT News.